Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and secure at home. You all are enjoying the videos which your teacher is sending in the group. I hope you all are reading the textbook as well as you are completing your workbook. Today here again I have come with a new video of English subject. The name of the chapter is Tenali Raman Draws a Picture. Textbook page number 4. Before I start the chapter, I would like you to pause the video and you just take out your English textbook page number 4. I hope you have taken out the textbooks. So before we start the chapter, let's read these slides. What is the paraphrases of the lesson? Number 1. The king wants to meet Tenali Raman. Number 2. Tenali Raman met the king in afternoon. Number 3. Tenali Raman shows his drawing board to the king. Number 4. King said, "Why this whiteboard is empty?" Number 5. Tenali Raman replied, "My Majesty, I had drawn picture of a cow eating loads of grass." Loads of grass means lots of grass. Number 6. King asked, "Where is it?" Number 7. Tenali Raman said, "After eating up all the grass, the cow walked away." Okay? Now before I start, I will explain you what is a skit. Actually this lesson is a skit. Now what is a skit? A skit is a small and funny drama. A skit is a small and funny drama in which the actor makes fun of people and the events. So tell me the students, have you ever heard any story recently? Yes? I am sure you must have listened. So let's start reading of the lesson. I hope you all have opened the textbook page number 4. So we have to read the lesson first. Messenger. Good afternoon. Sir, the king wants you. Wants you means the king calls you. Okay? Raman. Shh. Don't disturb me. I am busy. Messenger goes away. King walks in. Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing? Raman, Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. King, I see. We would like to see the picture. Raman, here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. King, is this a picture? Have you drawn? Raman, please explain. Raman, I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. King, loads of grass? I can't see any grass here. Raman, that's because the cow ate it up. King, and where is the cow? Raman, after eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty. King, ha ha ha. Raman, you always make me laugh. So, first, I want to tell you there are 3 characters. One is Messenger, the second one is Tenali Raman, and the third one is the king. Who is the messenger? Messenger is a person who gives message is called a messenger. Now, who is a teacher? A person who teaches is called a teacher. Now, messenger, sir, the king wants to meet you. Now, here comes the Tenali Raman. The messenger is telling to the Tenali Raman. Do you know who's Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman was a man who has knowledge of all subjects. He was famous for his intelligence and he was a jewel of the king's court. Okay? Now, when the messenger says, Raman says, shh, don't disturb me, I am busy. When Raman said, don't disturb me, the messenger did not disturb him again and went back and told the king that Tenali Raman is busy in his work. Then the king said, what is so important than me? The king went to the Raman and said, Raman, I was waiting for you. I had given a message. What are you doing? Raman replied, Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. Okay, said the king. We would like to see the picture. Now, students, here, can you see Raman's holding his blank board with no picture on it? And look at the king. He is looking so confused. Now, the king said, is this a picture? What have you drawn? Please explain. When the king saw the picture, there was nothing drawn on the board. Raman replied, I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. There loads means lots, large amount. Okay. Then the king said, I can't see any grass. Raman replied, because the cow has eaten all the grasses. Okay, said the king. Then where is the cow? Raman replied, after eating the grass, the cow walked away. So, tell me students, have you ever seen a cow walk away from a picture? No, never. Though this king understood that Raman is just trying to make him laugh. King laughed and said, ha ha ha, Raman, you always make me laugh. That means Raman gave a funny explanation of why there was nothing in this picture. I hope children you all have enjoyed it. After all, it is a funny skit. Now, time to do the questions. What did the king see on Raman's board? You have to write the answer of this question. The question number 2 is, had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? So you know better, there was no cow on the board. Number 3, can cow walk away from a picture? So you must know the answer. I hope you all understood the story and you will read the lesson again and again and you will complete your workbook and your notebook. Till then, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallahu khair.